Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, this is Michelle's mukbang channel. Today I'll be having another kind of Kenyan, East African food mukbang, which is chapati. Chapati is also common in India or Jamaica. They call it roti, but in Kenya we call it chapati, or in East Africa. And with that I'll be having some super spicy beef stew. If you guys want to see how I make these chapatis, I have done a video on my cooking channel, which is Kenya Cooking Abroad, and there I showed you guys how to make chapatis step by step, like soft layered chapatis. So check out Kenyan Cooking Abroad, subscribe there, like my videos, share my videos, watch my videos. We're going to start off by eating, and let me show you guys the chapatis. Please subscribe for my videos. Oh, empty. You guys, please, you need to subscribe for my videos, for more African food mukbang. I just feel like I'm already in Kenya, guys. Like this food here, this chakula. Spicy.